Introducing the 2021 Seat Leon 1.0 TSI 110B horsepower XC5 door in striking red. With 80784 kilometers, this 1-liter beauty is loaded with features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, and lane departure warning for safety. The perfect blend of style and security, it includes roof rails and anti-collision system. You'll love the convenience of cruise control, electric windows, and more. This vehicle has been fully inspected, serviced, and comes with comprehensive warranties. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Visit blackwatermotors.ie or call us now for more details on this amazing car. Drive away in style today.